Can we just come off screen share just for a moment? And, we spent some time talking about the use case. How did you, you're doing this workflow so that you can build clients because you charge by the square foot.
Right.
How long does it typically take you to work on a space to do whatever cleanup you're doing so that you can calculate the square footage?
Oh, maybe 5 or 10 minutes. Not long. It depends on the space. I did recently a 300,000 square foot space, and it took maybe 20 minutes or so to kind of delete all the clutter that I didn't like. But it doesn't,
for most everyday Matterport tours, residential, under 10,000 square feet, it's not all that complex. It's going to be less than 10 minutes.
Right. I would say so.
And how did you previously invoice on square footage without having the benefit of Matterport property report?
Well, there's a couple ways. I would send, there's a company that was providing square footage estimates. I don't think that they're Matterport approved or sanctioned. The main way that I was doing that was getting a actual floor plan either from Matterport or from a third party website like Home 3DS or one of the other ones.
Captured, for example. And how long did that generally take you?
24 hours usually. They're all pretty quick these days, so about 24 hours.
Okay. Or in fact, Matterport, you could order floor plans from Matterport, and they would put the calculations on it to say this is the bedroom is this much square footage, this is the dimensions of it, and then the total living space by floor and the total living space of the entire model. So you've now gone from I need to wait 24 hours to I can do it in less than 10 minutes and have the measurements.
Exactly. Yep.
And also trick out the tour. So if it's important for the user of the Matterport digital twin to actually see measurements, room dimensions, square footage, that can be enabled in the model.
Yeah, and I will say it's really accurate. The other companies that I was sending the URL to get floor plans have always been a little off, and I don't have a percentage to tell you, but they were a little off. I did a warehouse recently that was 100,000 square feet or so, and it was easily within like 600, 500 square feet of what I measured with my laser measure, my handheld laser measure. So I'm happy with the results from it as far as billing, because when I'm charging by the square foot, 10 square feet or 100 square feet, it's more money in my pocket. So